India will regulate crypto, not ban it. It is almost confirmed according to leaked documents, but it will be confirmed officially very soon. So, again, welcome to Saturday. Welcome to one more series, one more episode of Weekly Crypto News. And we start with everyone getting crazy on Metaverse now. So it started with crypto, Bitcoin, all the other altcoins. Then it went to NFTs. NFT craze is still on the rise. And now it's the Metaverse. So the biggest companies of the world, and here in this case, the very first news is Adidas is getting up for Metaverse. They've partnered with Bored Ape YC, G Money NFT, and Punk's Comic. Three of them, three companies: Punk's Comic, G Money, and Bored Ape YC. All three of them, and they have a new Metaverse which they call World of Limitless Possibilities. And it's adidas.com/metaverse. So you can check it out what they are doing that. And I should actually open it here. So let's see what Metaverse is. But Metaverse is the new buzzword. Everyone is getting on the Metaverse train. Adidas is, Nike is as well. I think it's in the same link of the article, which I have referred. We also have, Nike. So there's Nike Land. Nike, Adidas, world's biggest companies are joining the Metaverse bandwagon. Everyone's trying something, and of course this is one of those another areas of crypto blockchain industry which would become big, because of course Facebook is, and there's already news that Facebook has its own crypto wallet, its own crypto coin as well planned. And Metaverse, Facebook's Metaverse, Meta, would have a big element of NFT, crypto, all of these things as well. So, of course, everyone's joining in. We will know how this pans out, what kind of developments we have very soon. Okay, so that's the first biggest news. All the biggest companies are now joining Metaverse. That's, Okay. Again, the second biggest news is also very important. We all know Twitter's co-founder, Jack, resigned from his duties of the CEO of Twitter. And of course, the new guy, Parag Agarwal, Indian guy, big news. Every Indian is so happy. Oh, one more big technology company has an Indian CEO. But now that Jack Dorsey has a lot of time on his hand, that he's not actively the CEO of Twitter, he has more companies like Square and others. And this is news about Square. So Jack has been also very active on the crypto Bitcoin front, and Square through his company Square, which started off as a payment, helping traders and helping companies to get money. I mean, they released some products for businesses where they can accept payments, but they had shifted their momentum towards crypto and blockchain, and now they have rebranded it. So Square is rebranded to Block because its focus is shifted to blockchain now, which is very obvious. And Jack has been very vocal about it, and he wants to do a lot more and contribute a lot more. So I think Jack having more time to manage Square, or now Block, would be great for the crypto industry. So this is via a tweet from the Square Twitter handle, which says, "We are changing our company name so we can give the full Square brand to our seller businesses. So now we need a name to tie Square, Cash App, Tidal, and another thing as well. I don't know what is that, TBD, blah, 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 together in one. And that name is Block." So why? So Block is Square, Cash App, Spiral BTC, Tidal, and this 5 things in one. In our foundation teams to support, we are here to simple tools, blah, blah, blah. And of course, the new website is block.xyz. So of course, they have a big focus on blockchain, crypto. Jack Dorsey would be leading all of this. And let's see, I think this is the next battleground. I mean, Meta would have a big crypto blockchain element. Jack is in there. The biggest, of course, there's some part of that in Indian news as well, so we'll know. But the biggest brains of the world, the richest people are all getting into Metaverse and blockchain and crypto. And so this is the next biggest battleground. Probably it is already emerging as one. Okay, I will keep you updated on this story as well, as it develops. Let's go to the third biggest news of the crypto world, which is, yes, of course, UAE. They are in the future already. They are, if you are not aware, it's a big celebration going on, 50th year of their, they call it the UAE Foundation year or something. Yeah, UAE. So it's the 50th year. UAE is celebrating that. And National Day, 50th country's National Day that they're celebrating. And they have issued NFT stamps for that. So they're already in the future. UAE's, already is NFT stamps, which I don't think any other country has done it so far. So yeah, I think first NFT stamps in the Middle East, but I don't know if any other country. So it says the postal operator is issuing NFTs to commemorate the National Day. And a total of 4 stamps. Each with a distinct design consisting of national theme will be issued. Buyers will be able to see the digital design linked to the physical stamp they purchase after scanning QR code printed on the card. To activate the digital collectible on the blockchain, users will scan a QR code and code hidden behind the card. So of course, UAE is again one of those countries which is bullish on technology and always trying to do the first thing in the world. They're always like, oh, we want to do the first. We want to be the first in the world to do. Always trying to create new world records and stuff like that. They should be. I mean, there's no surprise that it comes from them. So, top 3 world news, top 3 India news. Let's get quickly to that. And of course, a very kind reminder, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do. I cover crypto, blockchain industry news from all over the world and from India. And I hope you enjoy the content. I mean, it just makes me feel good to keep doing this. And it is a good encouragement if I have more subscribers, more people commenting, liking, watching my video. And let's move to the India news, which is the hub of all the activity, crypto activity. So, of course, last week, my video was like, don't worry, don't panic, no FUD. The government of India is not banning crypto, which is true. Unofficially, it is already, showing the cabinet documents are there on the internet. People have found access to that, and it's showing that what was I kind of already knowing, and everybody else, the stakeholders were telling me through Twitter Spaces, which I have actively attended, that the classification of crypto is not currency in India. It is there. It will just be classified as assets. And I will make a whole new video about how that will work out, what will be happening, what are the consequences of classifying crypto as asset, the asset class instead of currency. So watch out for that video. It would be amazing. I will have to do some really good research. I will make sure it's a very detailed, wonderful, explanatory video. I'll do that. And watch it for that. But yes, it will be officially very soon announced in the parliament with the bills passing, which is everyone's looking forward to that. Especially our second biggest news from India, CoinDCX, because CoinDCX is like, oh, we are planning. So they are the first crypto unicorn in India. The second one is also there, which is CoinSwitch Kuber. But CoinDCX founders told that they announced that, the moment this bill gets passed and things are streamlined and everything's okay, we will likely be going ahead with an IPO. So they are likely looking at listing themselves, which is a great deal because, of course, then you are cemented, your position is cemented, you are there for a longer time, public money invested into you. A great idea. Of course, they're already unicorn, they're doing well, and they're looking to get into the IPO once this bill is passed and there's more clarity. So also, Asia's richest man, of course, who is from India, Mr. Mukesh Ambani, who owns all the Reliance Group of Industries, a lot of things. I don't know if there's anyone who's not heard of it. He is bullish on blockchain. So, of course, cryptocurrency, the whole thing is based on blockchain. That's the technology. And it can be used for a lot of other things, financial stuff. Any industry can pretty much use blockchain technology. So Matic, the Indian company, I read the news that some time ago their blockchain technology, is being used by Swiss post offices. So it's literally, I mean, the technology can be used in supply chain, in logistics, in financial industry. Banks can use it. There's a lot of scope of using the technology, even telecom companies for that matter, I'm sure. So he's very bullish. He's like, blockchain, not Bitcoin attitude. That's what his attitude is. Ambani is not the only billionaire with the once pervasive. I mean, so American mogul Warren Buffett, one of the richest Bitcoin critics, said that blockchain was important in early 2019 as well. So of all the rich people, of course, think the same way. And yeah, I think that is again good. At least even the blockchain industry would be big in India. We have the most amazing talent, and that should be tapped into to have big blockchain unicorns and blockchain industry and blockchain ecosystem in India as well. That's about it. Thank you very much, as always, to be here, and come back next week for crypto news and tomorrow for tech news. That's it. Take care of yourself. Don't forget the mask. We are still not done with COVID. We don't know when we will be done with it. But yeah, take care of yourself and talk to you soon.